Welcome to this channel. Please, I request you to hit subscribe if you have not yet done, so that you may see the next notification. Giving up. In most cases, people like giving up in life. But today, I want to share you a story of a bird that refused to give up. There was a bird living in a desert, and was the only surviving species of that bird. The bird flew and got lost after heavy sandstorm from the desert disrupted their group. In the previous desert that they used to say there was an oasis, but the new desert that the bird went to, it was hard to see any water. One day the bird felt very thirsty, to an extent that if the bird was not to drink water, the bird was to die. But what the bird did, the bird saw a hole with some water logged in it. But deep in that water, if the bird is to dip the beak inside so that it drinks, the bird would sink together into the water by sliding until it died. So if the bird is to drink the water, it would slide in the water and dies. But also on the other hand, if the bird is not to drink water, the bird is also going to die. So what the bird did was to start rolling a small piece of stone with the beak, on and on like that until the stone dropped into the water. After the stone had dropped into the water, the science behind was the water level rose up and leveled to the ground. And the bird easily drank the water, and the bird was okay. Later on, it flew back to the former group. So never give up in life. Always try to find options, just like the bird did. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, if you have not yet done, subscribe so that you get the next video.